Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, as you know, IELTS speaking test is conducted in person and on screen. Now many students get confused. Sometimes they give you option. Do you want to go for on-screen speaking test or do you want to go for in-person speaking test? Well, let me just tell you, well, it depends. Because when it is on screen, sometimes there can be a technical issue. Number one, there can be glitch, right? The voice glitch and all that. And sometimes when you are taking on-screen IELTS test, examiner can be a non-native speaker from another country. This is what happened with one of my students. And I'm just gonna tell you what was the story. Well, he appeared in IELTS speaking test and to his luck, speaking was on screen and the examiner was Dutch. Now, Dutch people speak good English, but they are non-native speakers of English. So, my student could not understand a question and he asked that Dutch examiner to repeat the question. He repeated the question using the same style, same accent and all that. He didn't understand that. And then he asked him again, so he failed to understand examiner's question and as a result he got puzzled. You know what happens when you don't answer a couple of questions, you have a feeling that oh my god, my bench score is going to be low now because I couldn't understand the question and I didn't answer the question. That is going to affect my bench score. So the same was the feeling, and let me tell you, like he was capable of getting 7 or 7.5 bench score. I mean, the way I prepared him and as far as his speaking was concerned, it was really up to bench score 7, 7.5. But unfortunately, he got 6 band. So sometimes, you know, when you speak live, when you speak face to face, no matter you use high speed internet and HD clarity cameras and everything and all that, still there can be some glitches and it cannot make you feel like you're having physical interaction with the examiner. So if you are given a chance to choose between on-screen speaking test and physical speaking test, I would advise you to choose physical speaking test because it has got more benefits. When you speak in front of the examiner, examiner is human, they appreciate you, they maintain eye contact. With on screen, you cannot maintain eye contact with the examiner. Examiner is looking at the screen is down there. And you are looking at the examiner is down there. So you don't look at the camera. If you look at the camera, you don't look at the examiner. So on-screen test, examiner and candidate, they don't maintain eye contact at all. So you should be careful. Otherwise, sometimes there are native speakers when there is on-screen and they tend to give better bench score as well. But again, if you have the option of attending physical speaking test, that's far better because local examiners are well trained. Local examiners understand the ecosystem of that country, that city. And they know the people, they know the rituals of the people, they know culture, tradition and all that. So they can understand you well. Non-native, for example, if you're from India and your examiner is from Brazil. Now a Brazilian might not know more about India, right? For instance, if you're from Pakistan and your examiner is from Latin America, any Latin American country. So they don't even know about Pakistan, for example. So how can they understand your cultures, your festivals and all that? So as a result, when examiner is not in a better understanding position, examiner cannot give you better bench score. So if you've got the option, go for physical speaking test. That is going to be better. But otherwise, if you don't have any choice, yeah, that's good. On screen is also fine. Yeah, don't worry about that. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.